What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video in my channel. So in today's video I'm going to talk about uDroppy dropshipping service platform, you call it however you want. I will be comparing their prices to Aliexpress prices, their refund policies, their available plans, their customer service, and overall if that is actually worth using it. Just before we start, guys, as always, make sure to join the family and hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you will not miss out any future content. As well as make sure to follow me on Instagram where I post pretty much daily. Last but not least, if you want to download a full case study of my first winning Shopify store, check out the first or second link in the description below. So with that being said, guys, let's start with the video. Alright, so uDroppy. So the first time that I actually came across with uDroppy was in Q4 in 2019 when we were scaling our Christmas leggings store. I was searching through all the internet and YouTube videos to find myself a good dropshipping agent or a dropshipping service like uDroppy to increase my shipping speed and lower my cost of goods. So after I came across with a video about uDroppy, I decided to reach out to their customer support and ask them a few questions about how they are operating. So after a few days, this guy called Gabriel reached out to me, which was quite fast, which I really liked it. Basically, Gabriel was my dedicated dropshipping agent manager or something like that. Now at that time it was still free, but today if you want to have this dedicated person that helps you, that you can reach out all the time, you actually need to pay for the paid plan. But even though I liked the quick response and personally really liked Gabriel himself, I decided not using them because their pricing were not that good and I had some issues with their shipping and refund policy. Now a lot of time have been passed since Q4 of 2019, so I'm going to have a look with you guys in this video, see their prices, see their shipping, refund policies, all those things, for us to see if there's something changed and maybe it's actually worth using them. Alright, so without further ado, let's dive into my computer and start comparing prices. Alright, so I've opened 6 different products that I found also on uDroppy and Aliexpress. I opened some specific products that I'm more familiar with and I know that these products are winning products or were winning products in the past. So we have this first product, the phone and earphones cover, which basically it's also a phone cover and you also can put your AirPods inside, which is really cool product. I think it still works. So as you can see, the pricing over here, the price is $4.36, and if we will scroll down, this is where you actually can find your shipping. So let's put United States, and as you can see, US, United States of America, it's another $4.73. Now they're saying over here that the shipping times is like 12 to 15 days, but we're going to go over exactly their shipping policy and the refund policy so you will understand exactly what is the shipping times. So 4.36 and another 4.73, so it's around like $9.5 bucks. Let's go to Aliexpress over here. So we can see that this product sells for $4.11. Let's see what is the shipping. Shipping cost is 4.59. So actually with this product you can actually use uDroppy because it's kind of almost the same price, and the shipping time ePacket right now is a bit slower. So this product I might consider using uDroppy. Now the next product that we have is this long handle shower loofah, something like that, this scrubber. So we can see the cost over here is $1.31, and let's go over here and put United States, and we can see it's another 5.73, so it's around like $7, something like that. So let's go to Aliexpress for that listing. So this product over here from China costs $2.45, and let's go to the shipping. So shipping with ePacket is another $2.67. So this is already big of a difference, which is around, how much we said, around like $2 difference. I know that maybe $2 is not that a lot, but because this is kind of a cheap and low perceived value of product, every dollar should count always. And another thing that we can see over here with this product on Aliexpress, that it actually sells from United States, Spain, Australia, France, so you have access to different warehouses across the world. So in this point I don't see any point why I should use uDroppy and not this Aliexpress seller. Now let's go over to the next product. This is the paint edger roller brush. So it costs on a uDroppy 13 bucks, and let's type United States. It costs another $10 to ship to the United States. So overall it's around like $23. So let's see on Aliexpress how much it costs. The product itself is $12.75, and if we will go to the shipping, we see that Aliexpress standard shipping is $7.17. So it's around almost $20. So it's like a $3 difference, which is not that huge. But again, Aliexpress is still cheaper. Moving on to the next product. This is a really familiar product, this cat lion wig. It was extremely popular and viral in the past, I think like 2-3 years back ago. So the product cost is $5.37. Let's go to the shipping and use United States. Another $5.73. So it's around $11, even a little bit more. Let's go to Aliexpress. This listing over here ships from China. Product cost is $3.28, and the shipping over here with e-packet is another $3.58. So it's around almost $7, $6.50, something like that. So let's say $7, and the price on uDroppy is around $11. So that is actually a big difference, almost twice of the price. Another thing that we can see on Aliexpress, that this actually sells from the United States for actually a really decent price. So with this product, again, I'm not going to use uDroppy. Next product is this one, is popular. I posted on my last video about the winning fitness products. So you know that this product sells really well right now. This product over here costs $12.08. Let's go to the shipping, and another $8.77 for shipping. So that is around $21 for this product. So over here on Aliexpress, we have a top brand seller. The seller has a lot of orders and good reputation, and let's see for how much he is selling it. So let's take the biggest size. So it's $8.99 and another $3.86 for shipping. So that is around 12, almost let's say $13, where over here it sells for almost 21, something like that. So again, there is no reason why you shouldn't use this seller and use uDroppy with this product. Last product is this back support brace. So the product cost over here on uDroppy is $7, and if we'll go to the shipping and choose United States, another $17.57 for shipping. Wow, okay, so that is around $24.25. So let's see how much it costs on Aliexpress. So it's $15.89, and we have free shipping by seller method, and we have Aliexpress standard shipping for $5.26. But you can see that the first option is going to be delivered before the 15th on July or a full refund, and Aliexpress standard shipping is 14th of July. So it's just 1 day difference, and this one is free shipping, so I'll probably go with this one. So it's $15.89 compared to $24.25 on uDroppy. Again, in this product, no reason why use uDroppy. All right, so let's say you already have a winning product, you're doing well, you want to scale your store, you want to increase the speed of your shipping, and your product is not available on uDroppy. What do you do? So actually uDroppy offers you a product request where you go and request your product, and then they go to the Chinese manufacturer, finding the best supplier for the product with the cheapest price, and then they source it for you. After you request the product, after a few days, up to a week, I think, you will see the product on their platform. Now, something that is unfortunate, as you can see over here, they saying that the product request feature is not available for startup user, which is the free plan. So it means that if you do want to have this feature, you will have to pay for uDroppy paid plan. All right, so let's actually go over the plans that are available on uDroppy. So the first one is obviously free. You can connect one store, you can import up to 10 products a month, unlimited orders, automatic invoicing, automatic bulk and ship tracking. So the only good thing about it is actually you can process orders in bulk, and you can track your delivery. So that is actually a good thing. But as you can see, you cannot request products, you cannot enjoy their virtual warehouse, affiliate program, a fulfillment agreement, uDroppy mobile chat, white label products, phone support, and cash on delivery. So most of the options are not relevant over here, maybe just cash on delivery and the virtual warehouse. Basically, virtual warehouse is where you can actually purchase your product in bulk from Alibaba or Chinese suppliers and store them in one of the warehouses of uDroppy. That that is something that is more for like advanced dropshippers that in really a high point of scaling and maybe even having a long-term brand. But overall, for a beginner dropshipping, it's not really relevant. So the next plan over here is $49 a month. You have also connected one store, unlimited import products. You have a live chat agent, which is probably a good thing, and you can add 8 products. You can request up to 8 products a month with this plan. And here the pro plan, which is the most popular, it's $149. You can connect 5 stores, unlimited, all those invoice automatic, automated bulk, all those things. E-commerce manager, I guess it's the same person as Gabriel, that you will have like a Skype number or something like that you can always reach out to him, and it's going to be always available to help you out. That is actually a nice thing. And you can request up to 20 products a month from them. And the last one is platinum. I'm not going really to go over it because it's not even relevant. All right, so now let's go to the actual refund policy, which is one of the most important things for me as a dropshipper. So essentially their refund policy, it's if the product does not arrive within 40 days, you will get a full refund for your product. This is their overall refund policy before the epidemic, so keep that in mind. They have a lot of over here restrictions where you can actually get a full refund, not getting a full refund, damage orders, and non-conformity, delivery countries limits. So they actually limit you for these countries over here. So it means that even if the product is not delivered within these countries, they will not process you a full refund. So even the 40 days money back guarantee, it's still limited with all those restrictions over here. But if we'll scroll down until the end to over here, the COVID-19 crisis. So I read the policy, and the main thing that caught my eye is this sentence over here. Due to COVID-19 crisis, uDroppy won't refund any order delivered over 40 days or late. So basically what it means, or at least what I understand, that it doesn't matter how long it will take to your order to arrive, even if your customer is not going to get the order ever, so you will not get any refund because right now is the COVID-19. Even with Aliexpress, you still have 90 days money back guarantee, so you still have something. And when you don't have the COVID-19, you can get 30 days money back guarantee, 30 days buyer protection with Aliexpress. So even their like regular policy of 40 days, it's actually worse than Aliexpress. So again, I'm not sure exactly where is the main benefits. And not only that it's 40 days, it's actually full of those restrictions that you can't return products that are not the fault of uDroppy or unwanted products, things like that. And again, I find it much easier to work out things with Aliexpress sellers, but let's not lose hope yet. All right, so their shipping policy. So as you saw in the products page, it's saying 12 to 15 days. As you see over here in their help center, they're saying clearly that we don't use ePacket, only our trusted and verified partners worth it, right? I'm not exactly sure. So I actually reached out to Gabriel and his manager, Robin, and I asked him like, which couriers are you using? This is one of the main problems. Like I never got like a straight answer about their shipping times and shipping couriers, refund policies. It's always like a vague answer. So Gabriel was the only one that actually gave me a real answer, which they are using Aliexpress and Yanwen Special Line or Yanwen Express, something like that. Now, to be honest, those shipping methods are available with my dropshipping agent Alex. So the shipping couriers that they are using, everybody else is using the same couriers. And something that I forgot to mention, let's say that they promise you 12 to 15 days shipping, right? They saying that they're not using ePacket, they're trusted couriers and everything, but it doesn't matter even if they're going to put 1 day delivery, but they can't give you any like delivery guarantee within like 30 days, 40 days. So their timing of the shipping times are not relevant because they promise you 12 to 15 days shipping, but there is no refund policy right now, and their basic refund policy is 40 days with multiple restrictions. Now, even in this time right now, my dropshipping agent Alex, which he is not probably the best dropshipping agent out there, but he at least can offer me 60 days money back guarantee, and he actually provides me like excluding list of which countries should I avoid selling in the crisis right now during COVID-19. So again, refund policy, shipping times, I don't see any real benefit so far. Now about customer care, they actually have like some useful things on the website, the FAQs, where you can actually get some answers maybe about like shipping policies, all the things that I showed you. And they also offer, let me just move my face over here, so they actually have like a chat support on the website. Now to be honest, the only thing that I really liked about it is the customer service that Gabriel gave me. Personally, to Gabriel, I really like Gabriel, and I think he is an amazing customer support agent, and or how they call it. So if you are going to have the paid plan, you probably can enjoy the same thing. So in my eyes, this is the one main benefit that I really liked about their customer care. All right, so overall sum up, is that really worth using uDroppy or not? So as much as I would like to at least try working with uDroppy, and to be more specific is with Gabriel, I also need to run a profitable business. Now, as we went over the pricing, shipping, and refund policies, that is not good enough for my business. And to be honest, it's really driving me crazy that most of companies out there don't understand exactly what dropshippers need. So far, I'm using just a regular dropshipping agent from China, Alex, and he's actually a really good person, giving me a good customer service that helps me to keep running a profitable business. Now, just to give you a quick personal advice from me, bottom line, you should have the faster shipping times and the lower prices. This is the only thing that you should care about. Even myself, I don't have any kind of loyalty to any other dropshipping agent or service. The only loyalty that I have is for myself, for my business, and my customers. So if I'm going to find somebody that is cheaper, shipping faster, and provides me a better support, I will switch my dropshipping agent and go there. Now, most of these like other companies trying to maybe provide like this craziest service, or only faster shipping but higher pricing, or lower pricing and slower shipping. So there is no like one single platform that actually understands what we need is faster shipping, lower prices, good customer care. Nobody gives that, nobody. So do me this one small favor. I don't know exactly who are you using, which service, which agent. There is no better agent, better service. At the end of the day, it's only pricing and shipping. If you find somebody that is shipping faster for a cheaper price, you go with it. You only need to take care of your own business and your own customers, not anybody else. All right, guys, so that is my sum up about uDroppy. I'm definitely not going to use them unless they're going to change something and really offer something attractive. Not trying to disrespect them or something like that. I love Gabriel, and the only positive thing that I have from this company is actually only Gabriel. So Gabriel, if you're watching this video, you are awesome. I like you, man, and hopefully we'll do some business in the future. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and shared some light about uDroppy dropshipping service or platform or tool, however you call it. If you like this video, make sure to punch that like button. As always, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you will not miss out any future content. As well as make sure to follow me on Instagram, where I post pretty much daily. And of course, make sure you download my free case study about my first winning Shopify dropshipping store in the first or second link in the description below. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, my friends, peace.